Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Figma templates for faster design handoffs step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Figma templates and hit enter. Navigate to the official Figma website or trusted template marketplaces. Look through the available categories to find the templates that suit your needs. Once you choose a category, browse through the specific templates. Click on a template that interests you to view its details. Review the template's features and previews to ensure it meets your requirements. If you're satisfied, look for a download button or a duplicate option. If it's a Figma community template, click on the duplicate button. This action will open Figma in a new tab, prompting you to log in if you're not already signed in. After logging in, the template should automatically be duplicated to your Figma account. Once the duplication is complete, you will see the template in your Figma dashboard. Open the template by clicking on its thumbnail. Customize the template as needed to fit your project specifications. Make sure to save your changes regularly to avoid losing any work. Export or share the finalized design with your team for a smoother handoff. Consider accessing the Figma community for more templates in the future. Figma templates can greatly enhance your workflow and improve design handoffs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.